Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. In today's video, I'll show you how you can cast your Android cell phone screen to your laptop or a desktop PC which has a wireless connection. So you just need to click on that notification icon at the bottom right corner, and there would be an option that says connect. You can click on connect and then click on projecting to this PC. You can also reach this page by right clicking on start and then click on settings and then click on system, and there's an option that says projecting to this PC at the left hand side. So if you click that, you will reach the same page. So we will have to enable some settings from here. The first one is some Windows and Android devices can project to this PC when you allow them to. So it is always off by default. We'll click on it and we'll select the second option that says available everywhere, and in the second option that says ask to project to this PC, it says every time a connection is requested. So if you leave this option as it is, every time you'll connect your phone to your PC, you will have to allow it on your PC. You will get a notification and you will have to click on allow. But if you select first time only, you will have to allow it for the first time only, and then it will not ask you for the permission. Okay, so I'll leave every time. You can choose the second option also, that is first time only, if it is on your home network. And as far as the pin is concerned, for pairing, I'll leave it never because I don't want a pin. If you want, you can select the option first time or always. So the settings on PC are done. Now we will have to go to the cell phone. So I'll close this. So I have already projected my cell phone to my computer, but it is happening because of a software I have that is called Visor. But in the process which I'm telling you in this video, you will not have to have any software. So in the cell phone, we will have to go to settings and then other wireless connections. Now I have an Oppo cell phone, so it does not have, it has Android, but it is called Color OS, which is very similar to Android, or you can say it is an Android based. So the option in my cell phone is multi-screen interaction. On your cell phone it might be different, so we will enable multi-screen interaction. So as soon as we enable that, it will start detecting our computer and it shows our desktop is available. So I'll tap on it and it will say connecting, and it will show you a notification on your desktop PC and you will have to allow it once. So click OK, and now it will start projecting your cell phone screen on your computer. It is connected. Now I can go back. So that's how you can connect your cell phone to your PC, and you can cast your cell phone screen to your desktop or laptop PC. And you can play videos from YouTube like this. Now if you want to close it, you'll have to go back to settings on your mobile and tap on other wireless connection. If you have Oppo, go to multi-screen interaction and you can simply disable that multi-screen interaction, so it will stop that. Now the reason it still shows my cell phone on my computer because of that Visor software. So that's it in this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please click the like button if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.